Hello ShareFile users! Today I'm going to show you how to request files using ShareFile. Let's get started. You are working on a project where you need to gather files from your clients. Let's use ShareFile to request from them. Once you're logged into your account, click on Request Files from your shortcuts on your dashboard. For this tutorial, we're only going to need this file short term, and I'm okay with the system deleting it after 180 days. So I will leave the upload location as the file box. If you did want to keep the files long-term, you can save directly to any folder you choose. Navigate to and select the folder you would like the file uploaded to, and then click Done. There are two options, Get a Link or Send to Specific People. Today, we will choose Get a Link. In the Edit Options menu, you can set restrictions on who can access the link and how long the link will be active. You can also choose to be notified when the files are uploaded. And there we go! ShareFile generates a unique link for this use. You can copy and paste the link into an email, messaging app, or even share it on your social media platforms. The recipient just needs to engage the link and they'll be able to upload files. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the ShareFile channel for more tips. Until next time, happy sharing!